Hello, welcome to my channel and to Circa in downtown Las Vegas on Fremont Street. In this video, we're going to be exploring this property and I'm going to be giving it an overhaul rating. I'm here for a family event, but you can be sure I'm going to be exploring this hotel. To be honest, Fremont is not my favorite, mainly because I think most of the hotels down here aren't worth staying at. Circa is really highly rated. I'm excited to give it a shot in this video. But the number one reason why you would stay here is out that window. Now, Circa has some other really great features. First, they have the mega bar. It's the longest bar in the world. Has TVs lining the whole thing and several bartenders, so you're sure to get service. It looks amazing. They also are home to a lot of great restaurants. There's a deli that's really highly rated, and 8 East, which is a really great Asian restaurant located here downtown. Now, the mascot for Circa is Vegas Vicky. They've really encompassed that theme really well throughout the hotel, including a huge neon Vegas Vicky. Now, I want to talk about the room. We have the base room. I didn't ask for any upgrades. It came with 2 king beds. Upon first glance, it's really modern. We've now been here a day, so I want to go over some of the things that we've noticed. I would say the beds are average in their comfort. They're not too soft, not too hard. I wouldn't say they're just right, though. It's not a Goldilocks kind of thing. I would just say they're average in quality. We slept okay. I love the design of the room. It's deep woods, the dark blues, gold accents. I think it's really, really pretty and just a little bit sexy. I also love our view. This has to be an upgraded view. The fact that we are directly center Stadium Swim, I think, is true perfection. That's roughly all the good things that I have to say about it. Let's go into some of the things that I think aren't so great. The beds have almost like a platform box around them that if you're drunk or if you're uncoordinated like me is kind of dangerous. We have bumped into them numerous times. So there's that. And there's a lot of seemingly broken things in the room considering this is a very new property. The bed lamps don't work, and there's an iPad on the nightstand. It doesn't work. My sink's backed up, and the mini fridge, which is great that they have one, is located outside of the cabinet that was built for it. It's just on the floor. Really, all those are fairly nitpicky, but it is something to be aware of considering that this is a very new property, and I feel like it probably shouldn't have any problems with it yet. But not really anything that should outweigh your reasons if you want to stay here. Now, hotel guests get free access to Stadium Swim. I think that's great. That's roughly a $20 or $30 value depending on when you come. Stadium Swim during this time of year that we're in is open till 9 p.m. at night, but during the summer it's going to be open later. I think the hotel feels really modern, and the casino floor is really vibrant at night. There's dancers in the pits for the table games, and it really had a good vibe last night. So I like that about it. The number one thing that I like about it, however, is actually that it's a 21 and up property. I don't know why there's not more of these in Vegas, honestly. I think it's fantastic. Everyone I've talked to loves it. So that might be reason enough to stay here. Alright, so I'm back home and it's been a couple days since the trip, and I thought that I would give you my final thoughts now that I've had time to process them. So in general, our weekend in Circa was pretty expensive, averaging around $300 a night. For a basic room downtown, I think that's insane. If I am downtown and I need to stay there for one reason or another, then I would return. It's an amazing location. I would definitely go back and eat at 8 East. Food was delicious there. I also love the casino floor and the sports book and stadium swim. All 10 out of 10, honestly, and I highly recommend that you go. But to stay there whenever there's, in my personal opinion, better hotels and resorts down on the strip for similar money, I can't see myself particularly going back there anytime soon. If you enjoy downtown and you love to gamble, I think downtown is the best place to gamble, and you want to go to Stadium Swim, then by all means, I highly recommend that you book a couple nights there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back shortly with another one. Till then, bye!